Man dies following accident on PJ Patterson Highway. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man succumbed to injuries he received after he reportedly fell off a bus that was traveling on the PJ Patterson Highway on Monday. Reports are that the tragic event took place around 6:30 p.m. close to the Portmore toll entrance of the highway. Sources report that the man, who remains unidentified, was standing on the step of a coaster bus when he reportedly slipped and fell on the roadway and was struck by an oncoming vehicle. Police and members of the medical team were called to the location, where the man was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Kingston to Mapen leg of Highway 2000 was officially renamed the PJ Patterson Highway in 2015. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Continuing the news, 3 NHT contributors can now apply for one house. A major change to the National Housing Trust, the NHT, will allow 3 contributors to apply for a 2-bedroom or a larger unit to improve its affordability. Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honourable Mr. Andrew Holness, made the announcement on Thursday during a contribution to the 2022-2023 budget debate. This policy position ensures that more persons can access housing, particular family members can access housing, said Holness, who has the portfolio responsibility for the NHT. He said a key provision of the policy is the proof that must be established that the applicants are actually family members, such as next of kin, for example, wife and husband, children and siblings. He also announced that effective July 1, the NHT will double the disability grant benefit allocated up to $300,000 per individual. The Prime Minister said that this would be applicable to the maximum of 2 people per household living with disabilities. Under the Disability Grant Program, which was introduced in July 2017, NHT mortgagors with disability or who reside with or care for family members with disabilities are eligible for a grant of up to $150,000 to be used to renovate or upgrade the dwelling to make it suitable to serve their needs. NHT was established to increase and enhance the stock of available houses in Jamaica, as well as to provide financial assistance to the neediest of the contributors who wish to build or buy a house or repair their house. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.